How to delete all contacts from Google account permanently. So if for some reason you need to remove your Google account contacts and leave only contacts which are placed on your SIM card, for example, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, what you're going to do is let's just check which contacts are saved on SIM card and which on Google account. For that, we can go ahead and open the Contact tab. Now, select a contact you want to check and then click on Storage Locations. This will lead us to this section where we can see that this specific contact is placed on my Google account. I can unlink it from the Google account and place on the SIM card, for example. Now you can just go for the list to select any other contact and check its storage location, and then know which contacts are placed on Google and which are on the SIM card directly. Now to remove all your Google contacts, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select your Gmail first. Now you're gonna tap the profile icon in the top right and choose Manage your Google account. After that, just scroll a bit down with this new update and find the section People and Sharing. Here, also scroll a bit down and you will see tab Contacts. You will see amount of contacts which are placed on your Google account. So tap on that. And after that, you can either stay on web or use app for that, but I'm gonna stay here. Now to remove those people from my contacts list, I just need to press and hold the contact to see the square, then tap on it to select. And now just continue tapping on the profile icon of the contact to select. On the top, you will see amount of the selected contacts. In my case, it is 3. Now to delete them, I need to tap 3 dots and then tap Option Delete. After that, we need to confirm this tab by clicking Move to Trash. Now those 3 contacts will be gone from my list. You can select more or less, it's up to you. But now they are not permanently deleted, we still can recover them. So to delete permanently, what we're gonna do is tap the 3 lines in the top left and choose Trash section. Here are all of your deleted contacts. You can either delete them one by one or recover, or you can click option Empty Trash Now and then tap Empty Trash, so those contacts will be deleted forever. Or you can tap 3 dots, not the 3 dots, I'm sorry, you can press and hold on the contact, also select it like that, and on the top you will see option Delete Forever and Recover. So you can tap on Delete Forever and those contacts will be gone, but I'm gonna recover them. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.